It has been 3 years since I stopped buying herbs and started relying on my own. 3 years ago, I never thought that making an aromatic blend of herbs without any artificial additives and with all natural ingredients from your garden would be so easy. I'm going to share my all-time favorite blend of herbs that I can add to any dish I want. Opens up so many flavors when these ingredients are all together. For this blend, I usually take carrots, parsnips, celeriac, leek, dill, green onion, and sea salt. Probably the longest part of this process is to dry everything. It depends on the size of slices, but it usually takes me up to several days to dry it. You have to be sure that everything is dry and only then blend in everything. I also like it when you don't have to blend everything and just use the slices as they are. And that is the easiest way of getting natural herbs from your own garden. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.